Hello, in this video we're going to have a look at some of the audio effects that we can use. And so they're here in audio effects, and there's a lot of them. I think there's about 38 or 40 of them. And we're just going to look at some of them. We're not going to worry too much. So let's have a listen to this one. So, we can go, and I know what these all do. It's too difficult. It'll take up too much time to go through them all. But I'm just going to go to a chorus, and that'll make one thing sound like more than one thing. So it might get fatter. So for this type of a bass sound, I'm thinking a chorus, an ensemble, or a flanger. So something that'll make it fatter and wider. So, if you click open chorus, you can see that there are a range of presets here. So let's try and drag one of these presets down. One. Oh, I'm after putting it on my voice. I want it on the bass. So I can just drag and drop it. It was on this channel, and I can just click it and drag it and put it to whatever channel I want. But I want it on this channel. So let's have a listen. Hear it? If I hit this little button here, it's a recycle button. It'll bring me right up to the same folder, and I could pick a different one. I don't really want to pan my bass. No. I think I'll just stick with a basic chorus. Let's go on to the next one. So maybe on this we could look for a flanger. So again, I could just use the search and just go flanger. And a flanger is, if we click flanger, you can see that there's presets. So let's have a listen. That's nice. We've got a dry wet. So these are called insert effects because you're dropping them straight onto the effect. So let's try the next one. On this one, I might put an EQ, or channel EQ, and I'm just going to take away the bottom, like that. So we'll make sure all the bottom is gone out. So we can reduce the lower frequency. It's like a 3-band EQ on a DJ mixer. This one I'm going to try a phaser. A phaser is a different type of an effect. So again, I search for it and you hit phaser and you got all these effects. Let's try phased and confused. It's on this channel. No. 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 That's what I'm after. That kind of sweeping phase, Cool. Let's have a listen to this one. I think I'm just going to put an EQ on that. I don't think it needs it, but why not? And on what's this one? Another EQ on it. It doesn't need it. It's all just top end anyways. So I could put a little bit of distortion on it and just see what that sounds like. We've got different types. So I'll drag down the overdrive. That's on the wrong one. On here. Let's give it a little bit of bite. On to the last one. On this last one, I might add some delays. So let's have a listen. So there's delays and reverbs over here, and these are called send effects. And so I can send whatever one of these channels. If I turn up the A, it'll go to this reverb. And if I turn up the B, it'll go to this delay. And I can go in and change these reverbs. So if I turn up A and click on the reverb, double click on the reverb header here, And if you hit the little recycle icon, it'll bring you to where all the reverbs are. So I could go into special and I could pick a different one. Okay. Yeah. Everybody shall witness the day that Babylon shall fall. Yeah. Okay. So let's have a listen to it now with all of our effects put on, okay? So let's have a listen. There's one more thing I can do. There's two basses here, and I'd like to decide which is the bass. And I'll remove the bass from the other one, so it's just the tone of it. And I think that's going to be my bass. And so I'm going to go to EQ, search for it, channel EQ, because it's the easiest one to use. You can see there's a lot of bass in it, but if I remove it, so we still get the tone. So let's have a listen to them on their own. So I'll just turn it off. And I'll put it onto this one. I think it's better that way around. Listen this little bit off. They don't really affect each other. Okay, so let's listen to them all with it on. So that's effects. What I could try to do, is I will try and make it so as they all turn off and we'll hear it without. So I'll go Q and then Q, Q. So I'm setting up key commands here to turn on and off all of the effects. And we'll see what it sounds like before and after. Okay, so if I hit Q now, all of those channels, all of those effects get turned off. Can you see that the power button on them is turned off? And if I hit it again, they all get turned on, and these channels get turned on as well. So let's listen to it without the effects. It's quite nice. Listen to it with the effects. I might just see what this, if we can get a different type of instrument. So I'm going to hit this little recycle button here, and we can go and see all those basses again. Let's see that one. Maybe another one. Go down here. No. 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 So it's the one that I had was. That'll do. Okay, so go around and just have a look at the effects and just drag and drop things on and mess around with the dials, see how they sound. Okay guys, that's enough for this video.